Hi everyone, it's Holly here from Hollywood Beauty on Instagram. If you haven't gone over there and checked me out, make sure to follow me. I post every single day about makeup, beauty, and style. And don't forget to follow me here at Hollywood Beauty on YouTube. I post every single week with brand new beauty and style videos for you. Today is I feel like I'm getting to try some brand new product launches and I'm so excited to review them for you and do some tutorials. It's my favorite thing to do. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these new Too Faced lip liners. I'm always excited when I get to try a lip liner because I'm lip liner obsessed. It's one of my makeup staples and I never ever go without it. If I do a no makeup day, I put lip liner on and a gloss. I will be showing you guys today is a lip liner look with gloss. That's what they recommend with these lip liners. So I'm gonna be showing you what they recommend and the looks. They will look similar because I will swatch them on my arm as well, so you can see the color differences a little bit. They might look a little similar on my lip because color blends into my natural lip color, but I will show you both ways so you can see the slight differences. And these are the new Lip Injection Extreme lip liners. So they have that tingle feeling that the injection has, the gloss. I'm gonna go grab that and use that for the tutorial part. So keep that in mind. It does have the plumping property to it, that tingle, if you love or don't love tingly lip products. So it's a matte lip liner, which I love. Matte lip liners are my absolute favorite. I just find they make your lips look so full, and then you can always go in and add like a satin or gloss to it and it doesn't really matter. So I feel like matte lip liners are just kind of the best, but that's just like preference. It's supposed to be all day plumping, all day wear, no smudging, feathering, or bleeding. So usually matte lip liners are like that. They're kind of like solid when you put them on. 6 lip shades. They're all kind of nudes, brownie nudes, pinky nudes, and kind of warm tone nudes. Start with Puffy Nude. So this is the packaging. It's just in a kind of plastic container and it has a click for bringing the product out. And the product's applicator, it's actually like, it doesn't go to a fine point tip, but the edges of it are kind of crisp. So that's what I use to kind of get on my lip. I'll show you kind of how I use this type of tip to apply lip liner. This is a really nice color. This would probably look good on everybody because the kind of color it is. You can really see it on my skin here. So it's just a kind of muted, light, I would say light to mid, maybe brown color with a little bit of pink. So it kind of makes it like a mauvey brown. Easily glidable on the skin, and usually these take like a little bit to dry and then they don't move. So they are very easy to apply on the skin, it doesn't tug or pull. And then in Big Truffle, which I think I was using today, a brown, like kind of a darker brown with a little bit of red or warmth to it. I'm not sure why, but I just feel like it just looks great on the lip and it goes with so many colors. So this is in Big Truffle. I like this color. It's definitely, it might be the darkest shade, almost. This is the darkest shade, Espresso Shot. This is Espresso Shot. So this is the darkest color, kind of just a true chocolate brown. This post-op pink right here, such a funny, I love their names. So this is this is definitely a light brown or a light nude. It's definitely just more of a nude color, I would call it, a light nude liner. It doesn't look super pink to me, maybe just because it is light, like a light nude to me. It's just got the slightest bit of pink. You can kind of see the difference here. This is almost more pink than this, but it's just a light shade. I think that's why it's called pink, post-op pink. And we have Cinnamon Swell. Obviously it's gonna be warm tone, like second one I use. So this is like a kind of light brown, a light brick brown to me. That's what it kind of looks like, a little terracotta-ish. So warm tone brown liner. It's like warm tone, cool tone, pink, I feel like are the categories. Then the last one I have is Hot and Spicy. So this one is probably gonna be warm toned as well. Actually, maybe not. I'd say this is more cool toned, like pink. So that's a really nice color. I like that one. It's more of it's kind of a darker nudie pink color. That would look gorgeous on a lot of people too. I feel like pinky nudes look great on everyone. Now that I'm done that, I'm gonna remove my lip from the day and then I'm gonna start applying these shades for you, see what they look like on. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Post Up Pink. I like to shade it in like that. I like to do the corners a little bit. Go over your full lip if you want a major plumping, tingling effect, but it does tingle quite a bit. What they recommend to use with it: Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. And this is Post-Op Pink. Then we have Puffy Nude. And this is Puffy Nude applied with the lip gloss. And next we have Hot and Spicy. This is Hot and Spicy. And next up is Cinnamon Swirl, a bit darker of a warm shade. And this is Cinnamon Swirl. I really like this one. The deeper shades I'm starting to really like. Last two shades, In Big Truffle. This is In Big Truffle, which I really like. Last shade is Espresso Shot, the darkest shade. I feel like the plumping effect feels like it's less tingly. Maybe I'm just getting used to it now after I applied so many. So this is Espresso Shot, the last one, where I just applied like really light amount and blended it. So that is my review and tutorial on the new Too Faced Extreme Lip Shaper lip liners. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Make sure to like it down below and follow me here at Hollyward Beauty. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at Hollyward Beauty as well. I post every single day about makeup, beauty, and style. As always, I hope you babes have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.